Could your seemingly harmless morning routine in the bathroom actually be putting you at risk for a sudden heart attack or stroke? When we think about bathroom hazards for older adults, we almost immediately picture wet tile, slippery rugs, and the risk of taking a bad fall. But there is a much quieter, hidden danger that happens before you even stand up. It happens when you try to rush a morning bowel movement and choose to strain to hurry the process along. We are often taught that pushing is a perfectly normal way to encourage our bodies to stay on schedule. For a senior, forcing the body's natural timeline is incredibly taxing. This ordinary act of bearing down secretly sets off a high-stakes cardiovascular alarm entirely hidden from the outside world. Bearing down creates thoracic pressure, an intense physical force within your chest cavity. This excessive pressure clamps down on your cardiovascular system, restricting major veins returning blood to your heart. Consequently, your heart pumps less blood, severely dropping oxygen traveling into your brain. This lack of oxygen is exactly why many seniors experience sudden dizziness, lightheadedness, or even fainting spells while sitting on the toilet. Your brain interprets this sudden drop in oxygen as a critical survival threat, forcing your cardiovascular system into a state of absolute panic to keep you conscious. Your nervous system counters by skyrocketing blood pressure, but over decades, aging blood vessels lose elasticity, becoming rigid and brittle. Forcing an intense pressure spike through these rigid pipes causes beak spots to bulge and finally rupture, directly triggering hemorrhagic strokes or severe cardiac events. The bathroom itself isn't the threat. The danger lies in combining aging blood vessels with the unnecessary, self-inflicted thoracic pressure of straining. To protect yourself from these hidden risks, there is one primary, non-negotiable rule. Never force or rush your body in the bathroom. The easiest way to eliminate the need to strain is a matter of basic physics. By simply placing a small footstool under your feet, you can completely change your body's mechanical alignment. This diagram compares the two positions. Elevating knees shifts your body from a dangerous 90-degree posture to a safe squat. Internally, this straightens the lower digestive tract, removing the colon's tight kink. It forms an unobstructed vertical line, letting gravity work without straining. You can support this mechanical fix from the inside out with your diet. Eating meals rich in whole grains and leafy greens provides fiber, which acts as a gentle broom to keep your system moving effortlessly. Pairing that fiber with proper hydration gives your body a crucial natural lubricant. Water ensures the entire process remains smooth and requires absolutely zero physical force to complete. These simple biomechanical and dietary adjustments protect your heart and preserve your long-term independence. Share this life-saving tip with a loved one today to help them stay safe and secure in their own home.